Welcome back to the channel everyone. Hope you're doing absolutely fine. Saw the thumbnail, कुछ दिमाग में बत्ती जली नहीं? आज की टॉपिक जो हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, this is YouTube as a business. As part of this video, we are going to answer a few questions. Question number 1 is YouTube still a good source of revenue? Question number 2, what is the difference between a traditional business and becoming a YouTuber? Number 3, why do people actually quit YouTube? Number 4, what are the key requirements that you would need to start your YouTube channel or maybe become successful in YouTube? And number 5, the most important section that we are going to discuss in detail, how can you actually multiply your money in YouTube? So stay tuned till the end. But before starting, please subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon. Please comment down below whatever your take is on this topic. Share it to your friends with whom you want to start your YouTube channel with. As I say, let's get started. Welcome back, guys. First question, very important question. What is the difference between a traditional business and a YouTube business? Number one, traditional business requires huge investment. YouTube, zero investment. Especially I'm talking of people who are starting their YouTube channel from home. I'm not talking of big production houses where there is a huge setup involved. I'm talking of people who is planning to start their YouTube channel at home. Number two, traditional business is actually time taking, where you need to give your time a lot. You need to spend almost 8 to 9 hours a day to be consistent, and you need to monitor things. On the other hand, when it comes to YouTube, it can be optimized actually, because once you get the feel of how you're going to, because let's say for example, when I shot my first video, it took me almost 3 days to edit it and finally post it, but today I can do it within a couple of hours. So that's how it can be optimized, because once you do it, you get a feel of where you are wasting your time and where you can better utilize it. Number three, and the most important thing, which um, is the major differentiating factor when it comes to a traditional business and a YouTube business, is in traditional business you have a limited market to cater to, maybe a local area, or maybe if you are an online vendor, then maybe within the country. But when it comes to YouTube, the entire world is your market, because even a person in Australia, even a person in America can watch your video, and because of him or her you can definitely make money. So just keep these things in mind. But I would also take your time to talk about one common thing which lies in both traditional business and YouTube. That is patience and consistency, which I'm going to describe in detail in the coming part of the video. But let me tell you, patience and consistency, these are two things which are very much required in any business you do, or any job in that case. The next question that we are going to discuss is why people quit YouTube. बचपन में याद है, एक टाइम था जब मॉम डैड बोलते थे कि 10th खत्म होगा तो यू विल लिव योर लाइफ, देन 10th खत्म हुआ, देन उन्होंने बोला 12th कर लो, फिर लाइफ इज सेट, फिर उन्होंने बोला ग्रेजुएशन खत्म कर लो, फिर उन्होंने बोला पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन खत्म कर लो. एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स हैपेंड बिकॉज यू हैड दैट one tiny miny hope that once I complete my studies, I'll get into a company, and then I'll start making money and live my dreams. And the fact of today's world is that 90% of people who are currently doing jobs are working in those sectors which are unrelated to their 21 years of education. And that is the fact. That is the most funniest fact. But yet we had that patience to wait, because we knew that it will take some time for us to develop to that stage where we can go and somebody pays us for what we do. And that's what does not happen when people start their YouTube channel. They create a video. When they start the YouTube channel, the main focus is quality. But as and when they start making videos and they post it on YouTube, the focus slightly, or I would say immediately, jumps from quality to money. which is the biggest demerit and which stops you in putting that extra effort. Because everything you do, every video you post, you start judging it yourself, and that's when you are bound to quit, because you will never be able to feel good about your videos, you'll never be able to feel good about whatever you create. So please be mindful that there is nothing called quit in YouTube, because it's your choice. You are not investing anything. It is your choice. If you decide to stop, that is the end. Next question that we are going to discuss are the requirements in order to become a good YouTuber. Now, as I've already told, to become a good YouTuber, you need to have views, right? Views don't make money for you. Watch time, definitely yes. Due to the watch time, you get ads, right? And all those things are linked to the main source, that is a quality content. If your quality is good, then definitely you will get whatever you want. Now, quality is just the stage one, and under quality we have certain things that we need to do, like identify your niche, because that is very much important. you know uh, when I started my YouTube journey, the first thing I wanted to understand was, what is it that I want to tell to my audience? Is there something I possess which I'm good at and I want to share it with the world? And that's when you think of, okay, this is something I'm good at and I want to make some videos or create content on this particular sector, and then you start doing it. The major things which I would like to suggest people who are going to start their YouTube journey after watching this video is, please don't look at other videos and start copying them, because that is not going to take you anywhere. Get inspired from them, definitely, but don't just copy them. Learn to be your best self. And remember one thing, your first video is not your best video. So it has to be a learning curve as you go ahead. So you need to start at a certain point, and as you start making videos, as you start recording videos, as you start editing videos, all of these things are going to improvise and improve as you go ahead. So keep that in mind. Number 2 point, which is very required in order to become a good YouTuber, is the gears. Now, many people might be thinking, when I say gears, many might be thinking, now he's starting to talk about investment. He said zero investment and now he's talking about investment. No, my dear friends, it's not investment as such, because when even today I make my videos using my phone. So this is my Galaxy Note 10 and I definitely love the camera. And I would say nowadays the cameras we have, starting from mid-range smartphones, 10,000 or 15,000, all these cameras are pretty good, and you just need to set them up. And I remember the first video I had shot, I had put up a stack of books and I had kept my camera inclined to that. But yeah, I mean, I was also recommend, if you can take a tripod. Okay, this is a good one. A gorilla tripod will be a good one, because it will help you even while traveling. If you're traveling somewhere and shooting, it's really handy and you can keep it anywhere inside your bag. So just have it. If you want, I can give the link for the description in the description box below for this, so where you can purchase. The third important thing is mic, which I'm having right now here. Okay, so this is very cheap, so you can buy it, you can check it on Amazon, Flipkart. There are so many websites where you get these, and seriously, whoever is starting their YouTube journey, to be very frank, you don't need high-end mics or you don't need high-end gadgets. You just need simple devices. Make sure your quality is top notch. That is the first thing. Quality does not mean HD, 1080p, 720p. Quality means the content that you are providing to your audience. Now, once we have all this, now we have our quality content ready. So the next thing is packaging it, because you don't want वीडियो तो बन गया, राइट? लेकिन उसके चारों तरफ की पैकेजिंग अगर गंदी है तो लोग वॉच करेंगे क्या? डेफिनेटली नॉट. So packaging is very much important. Now packaging may one of the most important key things that needs to be taken care of is thumbnails. Okay, thumbnails को थोड़ा आप catchy बनाइए, ठीक है, so that whoever watches your thumbnails, because that is the first thing they see, right, and that is which makes them click on your video. So make sure your thumbnails are a bit catchy. Most of the people, most of the YouTubers I have personally interacted with, they suggest having their own face on the thumbnails because that gives a really good touch. But the choice is up to you. Whatever you think, do it. Next is title. Title should be a good one because you must understand how your viewers are thinking. It's not like a very plain question. It can be a very precise question which is hitting a particular sector. It can also be a vague question, so it can be anything, so be mindful about it. And the third is a description where you need to mention everything, whatever you want them to do. If you want them to like your Facebook page or Instagram handle, you can give it over there and they can straight away be redirected over there. So that is totally up to you. So that is the packaging part. The next and the most important thing which many people forget is marketing. Now marketing can be done in multiple ways. Number one, you can put a call to action where you can ask people to subscribe to your channel and share it to with their friends. Number three, you can yourself share your videos over social media platforms, and by that you can get some good traffic to your channel. Number three is collaboration, where you can maybe get in touch with some good YouTubers and offer them your assistance for free, where they would just have to put your channel link in their description, and maybe that is how you will attract traffic to your channel. That's a good way, in fact, how you can attract more traffic to your channel. So that is a good thing. Now, once marketing is also done, the most important, the last part is the YouTube algorithm. Now, you have done everything from your side. Now, the YouTube algorithm has to play its tricks. Next question. How can you make money using YouTube? People have a big misconception that YouTube से earning के लिए आपको views चाहिए. No. YouTube के लिए earning के लिए आपको subscribers चाहिए. Definitely not. तो चाहिए क्या? देखिए, यूट्यूब में अर्निंग के लिए आपको पहला चीज तो चाहिए वॉच टाइम, बिकॉज आपके व्यूअर्स आपके वीडियो पे कितना टाइम रह रहे हैं, व्हाट इज द टाइम दे आर स्पेंडिंग ऑन योर वीडियोस एंड वॉचिंग देम. Okay, that is the first thing that you need to understand, because more the watch time, more ads are going to play on your videos, and more ads means more revenue. Okay, that's how the calculation is. Now this is plain simple Google AdSense, so that is a single source of income that you can do. Apart from that, there are many other ways in which you can make money. One of the important features of YouTube which you can use is the join feature. In even in my video, you can see next to subscribe button there is a join button. You can click on that and you can contribute if you love the channel and you want to help me in making the videos much better, and on some certain topics that you want to cover. So you can definitely contribute whatever you want to. There is another source of income which comes up once you cross the 10,000 subscribers mark, is a merchandise, and there you can create your own merchandise and you can put it over there where people can come and buy it from you. Now the last last source, which is a pretty common source for big YouTubers, that is paid promotions, where let's say you are making videos on a particular product or maybe a particular genre, then the businesses who are actually operating in that particular industry, they contact you, they approach you, and they ask you to actually make videos for their products, and like a review video where you're reviewing their products and telling the audience what is the use of that product. And that's how they have these paid promotions where you can make a lot of money for each video you post. So these are some really cool earning sources which you can use for making money via YouTube. Verdict. the last section, most important section. We have covered so many things, right? And I also told you that we will be discussing about, patience and consistency at the last part of the video. So this is where the time comes where I'm going to tell you a few important things which you need to, put in your brains before even starting your YouTube journey. Number one, you are not, giving anything. You are not actually investing much. Now, let's say you start a YouTube channel, okay? You created a content, you posted it on YouTube, and maybe you didn't get the number of views you desired, okay? Now, you saw your own video and you observed few things. You felt maybe this could have been better, and maybe I could have spoken in a much better way, or maybe I could have made the thumbnail look a bit more catchier. You observed few things and you worked over those pointers in your next video, and that's how you did it for your next 20 videos. I can tell you one thing: your views might not increase, but definitely your editing skills, your spoken skills, your, quality, the kind of quality you have over that, or the kind of mastery you have over that niche that you are, presenting to your audience, that is definitely going to increase. So don't think it as a one way, traffic where you are heading towards a single way and that is the only target that you have. It's not just about that, it's about the overall package. When you ask me, is YouTube still a good source of revenue in 2021, I would say definitely yes. But it is only for those who are consistent, who are patient, who have that patience to understand that, maybe today the knowledge is not that required to the world, but yes, there will be a time when this knowledge will be highly appreciated by the audience. So make sure you have that belief within, you have that confidence within, and you keep working consistently to make your channel, or to take your channel to the next level. I hope this video helps you much before you decide what is your YouTube channel going to be, what is its name, and I would wish you all the best, whoever is watching and whoever is, desiring to start the YouTube journey. I wish you guys all the best. Please start a YouTube channel. Let us know in the comment section below what your YouTube channel is. Definitely, if it is something which is related to our genre, we will showcase it on our channel. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.